Jake here for AmericanTrucks, and in this video we're taking a look at the Raxiom Axial Series LED interior courtesy lighting kit fitting all generations and years of Rams. Bring a little extra fun to your Rams cabin with this LED courtesy lighting kit from Raxiom. It's going to inject your interior with a splash of extra color and something a bit more funky and interesting than just your standard interior lighting, and it does it all for a really good price. This is a cool little kit that's going to fit any generation of Ram, and it uses these 4 RGB LED strips that you can place pretty much anywhere you want within your truck. Not only are they bright, but they have a few other tricks up their sleeves. Now, using the included remote, you can select from up to 8 different colors, plus a bunch of different patterns and settings. You've got a strobe effect, you've got a breathing effect, and even more. They also feature a plug and play wiring setup, so there's really no wiring for you to do. They're gonna draw power right from the 12-volt port in your dash. It's even got an easy on and off button included right there. Now, everything again is controlled with this handy little remote, so you can change these up on the fly to suit whatever you're feeling at the time. Again, everything comes pre-wired, and on the backs of the strips, you've got 3M double-sided tape already installed to make for an easy installation. Now, like I mentioned a few moments ago, these are gonna plug right into a 12-volt outlet, so they're gonna work pretty much in any truck that has one of these. Bonus points, if you've got one in the back, you can make this a little bit more discreet. And again, this has got an easy on and off button already included. This will just plug right in to your control module, and again, you've got your remote ready to go. So it's a pretty cool little kit, and you've got plenty of wiring already included too. So these can go essentially in any place that they can reach to. Again, you'll have plenty of wiring to reach them there and keep everything hidden if you want to do that. Pricing for the kit comes in at about $30, so this is a really inexpensive modification. It's just simple all around, and it's something that'll make the experience of being in your truck just a bit more fun. So in my head, it's kind of a no-brainer. I think this is a pretty cool kit. And again, for about 30 bucks, that's not much more than you'd spend on a really nice lunch for yourself. So maybe eat some ramen noodles for a day and grab this for yourself. Installation is going to get a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and it should take you maybe an hour at most, depending on how you want to run the wiring. Now again, if you want to get everything tucked away and hidden, it might take you about that full hour, but if you're a little less particular, this is a snap. Could take you quite a bit less time. Either way, we're going to hand things over now to one of our AT customers who's going to walk you through the process.
Good. All right, so we're going to be installing the automotive interior lighting. Pretty straightforward. You're not going to need any tools unless you're trying to put this into the side of your console. Now, one side's supposed to be longer and one side's supposed to be shorter. Let's see, find the short ones. Short ones are going to be for the front, and the long ones are going to go for the back. Now, there's no right or wrong way of doing this. You know, first you want to connect the plug. Plug this in, make sure the lights work. Yep, good. Short ones go to the front. These, just run them under the seat. Make it a lot easier to access them later. Now to mount them, pretty easy. Has 3M double tape in the back. Just gotta peel this off. And basically just put it wherever you're gonna want your light. You want mine right here. Apply some pressure so it sticks. Grab one of these. Same thing. Take the 3M tape out. And just gotta find somewhere at the bottom. This side. go. Actually, try to center this. All right, perfect. 3M tape will basically stick to anything. Now the last one, tape off. And just find somewhere to stick it. Now cable management, it's pretty easy. You just don't want to put the cable anywhere around where it's going to shift or push back, but give it enough slack in case you do want to move your seat back. Cables, you can just tuck them into the side. It's usually going to be covered up by your mat. So you get towards this inner part in here, and you just start tucking them in directly under the center console. Phones are way easier to hide. Basically just gonna have one wire hanging to the side. Do the same other side. Just gotta stick it in under the console. Have it. All done. No tools necessary. Also comes with a control. Lets you change all the lights. Light color. Let's see, just gotta read it. There you go. Off, on, blue, light blue, green, red.
That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of the Raxiom Axial Series LED interior courtesy lighting kit, fitting all years and generations of Ram. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for all things Ram, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.